What's going on, guys? On today's how-to, I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use your launch control and flat foot shift on your access port.
First, I'm going to show you how to set up your launch control. So I'm on access port version 2. So I'm going to go down here to Tune, go to Adjustments, and then scroll down to Launch Control. So right now, for this condition, I have it set at 5500. So what the launch control actually means is when you want to take off, you have your clutch in, you put it in first, and then you put your gas pedal to the floor. Now when you have your gas pedal to the floor, it'll stick at that RPM that you set it at. So then when you want to take off, you just dump the clutch and it'll go. So you can set this RPM, the lowest it goes on the version 2 is down to 2000. Alright, so right now I have the launch control set at 3000, so I'm going to show you what this means. So right now the clutch is in, it's in first, now I'm going to put my pedal to the floor. So even though it was all the way at the floor, whatever RPM you set it at, it'll stick there. And then you just dump the clutch and go. So for flat foot shift, this is kind of the same things as launch control. So you're going to set it to whatever RPM you want to shift at. So as far as actually using the flat foot shift, let's say we're going down the highway in third gear, I have my foot to the floor, and when it comes time to shift, you're going to push in the clutch, shift, let go of the clutch with your foot still to the floor. Because what that flat foot shift does is it senses that when you push in the clutch, it won't let the engine rev any higher than what you have it set at. So having that flat foot shift is a lot of fun if you're on the drag strip or hauling ass down the highway or whatever have you. It just lets you so you don't let go of that boost. So when your foot is to the floor and you have it set at whatever RPM you want it at, the engine won't over rev and go all the way to redline and blow up your motor. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That's pretty much it for this. The launch control is a lot of fun, and it really depends on what kind of surface you're on, what traction's out there, what kind of tires you're on. It's based on a lot of different variables. So if you're in like really dry sand and kind of bald tires, you want the launch control set at a lower RPM, so as soon as you let go of that clutch, you're not just spinning the whole time. So I hope that makes sense. Please like and subscribe.